I'll show you how to fix Discord awaiting endpoint and explain why this issue happens and how to solve it quickly. Step 1. Change the server region by joining the affected voice channel, clicking Channel Settings, going to Overview, and selecting a different region override. This helps because connection problems are often caused by regional server issues. Step 2. Flush your DNS to clear network cache problems that can block Discord connections. On Windows, open Command Prompt and type ipconfig/flushdns, then press Enter. And on Mac, open Terminal and use sudo killallhub mdns respond. Step 3. Update Discord to the latest version or reinstall it from discord.com. Updates fix bugs and connection errors that can cause the awaiting endpoint problem. Step 4. Disable any VPN or proxy service you are using, as these can interfere with Discord's voice servers. Turning them off helps Discord connect directly and more reliably. Step 5. Check your firewall or antivirus settings and temporarily disable them or allow Discord through. Security software can block voice connections if Discord is not properly whitelisted. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.